Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Fedex Rewards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in getrewards.fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Fedex Rewards. Click on the login button from the homepage and you will end up within the login portal. Now just enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in the user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Fedex Rewards account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your user ID or password option to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Fedex Rewards. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.